Welcome back. Opening scene. The Buick Riviera, an icon of American luxury and performance. A car that turned heads when it first hit the streets and still commands respect today. Let's dive into what made the Riviera a standout in Buick's lineup. First introduced in 1963, the Riviera was Buick's answer to the growing demand for personal luxury coupes. Unlike other Buicks of the era, it had a sleek, low-slung body, a bold grille, and a distinctive roofline. Designed to compete with the Ford Thunderbird, it blended elegance with power in a way that few cars could. Under the hood, the first-generation Riviera packed a 6.6-liter V8, producing up to 325 horsepower. That might not sound like much by today's standards, but in the '60s, it was a serious performance machine. With rear-wheel drive and a finely tuned suspension, the Riviera delivered a smooth yet confident ride, perfect for long highway cruises or spirited city driving. As the years went on, the Riviera evolved, each generation bringing new styling cues and innovations. The 1971 model introduced the legendary boat tail design, a fastback rear end inspired by classic Corvette styling. It was bold, controversial, and unforgettable. Some loved it, others didn't, but there's no denying its impact on automotive design. By the late '70s and into the '80s, fuel economy regulations and changing consumer tastes pushed the Riviera toward a more restrained, front-wheel drive setup. While the power may have decreased, Buick kept the luxury alive with plush interiors, digital dashboards, and cutting-edge tech for the time. One of the most intriguing Rivieras was the 1986 model, which offered an optional touchscreen CRT display, one of the earliest digital interfaces in a production car. Buick was ahead of its time, experimenting with technology decades before it became mainstream. Despite its evolution, the Riviera always maintained its reputation for style and sophistication. The final generation in 1999 marked the end of an era, but its legacy lives on in the hearts of enthusiasts. Today, classic Rivieras are sought after for their unique designs and historical significance. So, whether it's the sharp lines of the original, the aggressive boat tail of the '70s, or the high-tech luxury of the '80s, the Buick Riviera remains an unforgettable piece of American automotive history. Would you take one for a cruise? Let us know in the comments.